Yes, good morning students. In science subjects today we will start new chapters and chapter number 5 acids, bases and salts. Before this I have completed 3 chapters and today we are going to discuss about the acids, bases and salts. In this chapter we will know about the what is the acids, what is the bases, what is the salts and chemical properties. These classification on the chemical properties of the substances. Before this you have to know about the classification of substances on the physical basis of the physical properties. Similarly, in this chapter we will discuss about the classification of substances on the basis of chemical properties. Chemical properties in the internal properties. Physical properties having the outer properties of any substances. So, we use a lot of things in our daily life being unaware of their chemical nature. Without knowing of the chemical nature, we will use different substances, different things from morning to evening in daily life. Actually, every substances has a certain chemical properties. Every substances, whatever you will see around you, all substances having some chemical properties. Whatever you will see, that substances you will see outer physical properties. On the physical properties, all substances classified in the 3 groups: solids, liquids and gases. But on the basis of chemical properties, all substances classified into different groups. In higher classes and in next chapter we will discuss about the element, compound and mixture. So, you should know every substances having some chemical properties, certain chemical properties definitely. So we will study about the acid, bases and salts in detail. First, acids. So acids has been derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acids has been derived, every word created from the origin words, scientist words. So acid words has been derived from the Latin word acidus. Acids derived from acidus. Acidus is a Latin words. Latin words. So acids derived from the acidus. And what is acidus? Acidus is a Latin word which means sour. Acidus means sour. So all acids has a sour taste. If we cut a lemon and taste it, if the lemon appear have a sour taste, means when you will use cut of the lemon and you will taste it, then you will find their taste is a sour taste. So the sour taste of lemon is due to the presence of acids. Anyone can be asked, why is lemon having a sour taste? Because lemon's juice, orange juice having sour taste due to the presence of acids. So it should be clear, the sour taste of lemon is due to the presence of lemon acids and in it. So raw mango, raw grapes, vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, curd, tamarind, all these having sour taste, and these are the example of the acidics. And why is having sour taste? Because due to the presence of acids. So, which substances having sour taste? Clearly you will say these substances is acidics. This substance having presence in acids. Without acids, without presence of acids, substances cannot make sour taste. So, after acids, we should know about the classification of acids. Classification of acids. So, classification of acids. Acids can be classified on the basis of origin, strength. Some substances having more strength of acidics, some substances having less strength of acidics, or quantity of water, some substances having more water, some substances having less water quantities. So, on the basis of the origin of the strength and quantity of water, all acids can be classified into two groups. First, minerals and organic. These are classified into two groups. First, organic acids. Second, mineral acids. Organic acids and second, mineral acids. Organic acids, mineral acids. Organic acids is a general acids and mineral acids may be dangerous. So these are the classification of the acids on the basis of origin of strength and adding of the water.